Hey everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And in the last session, we have seen how to do the git fetch and then git merge and git update, right? So we saw like after fetching, we can do either do a git update or either we can do a merge, right? And so that the changes which are in the remote, they will be coming to the your local. Okay, and today we are going to specifically look into the git pull. Okay, so instead of doing all those things like you want to fetch and then you have to update or you have to merge, instead of doing that we can directly go ahead with the git pull, right? Git pull is nothing but git fetch plus git merge. Okay, so those both things are combined together and there is a command called as the git pull. Okay, and let's see how git pull happens in the real time. Okay, so now we can go to the remote branch. Let's say somebody has did some commit to the our remote repository. Let me say that this is uh, this is pull. So this is git pull example. Okay, so now let's say commit git pull example. Let me copy this one. We'll give as the commit message. So commit changes. Say git pull example commit in remote. Okay, remote master. So commit changes. Okay, so now let's go and see. So if you see here, that is not present here because we are still in our local. Okay, and if you see here, nothing is shown because we have not even the faced anything, right? So now we can go here. So here face symbol is coming. Okay, fine. So let's go to the remote. Instead of fetch, this time we'll do the pull, right? So now go to the origin and master, and here you can say, right, there are so many options. Can you see? So rebase master into origin master, merge origin master into master, pull into the master using merge, pull into the master using the rebase. So we are going to use one of the option. So that option is pull into the current using merge. Okay, so let's say pull into the master using merge. Okay, so it's fetching, updating. This is updated, right? So now if you see here git pull example, right? Right, so this is how the git pull works in the real time, right? Otherwise there are some other options also you saw, right? So this rebasing, this merging, just now we understood the merge, right? This similarly there is a rebasing, right? And we will learn about them in the latter in the session. Okay, so this is git pull, and if you see uh, here git example commit, here you can see that commit also, commit related information. Okay, if you want to see the console you can go to the console and see. So this is merge and then git add. Okay, so this is nothing but the pull is like yeah, it pulled all those changes, like it fetched the changes and then it merged them to make it as a pull. Hey everyone, so we just now saw how to pull the changes using the merge, and there is one more way also we can do the pull. Let's see that one. So let's see, we go to the remote repository and here someone is going to edit this file. I'll say git pull example 2. Okay, and let's say git pull example happen to, and let's commit it, commit, and let's say commit message in remote master and commit changes. Okay, so this is my second example. So let's go to the git like IntelliJ, and let's go to the git and say pull. Okay, so when I'm saying pull, pull to master, that means we are going to pull to our local master. Okay, but from where we need to pull? We need to pull from the origin master. So origin, if you see only master branch, only one branch is there, so it says the origin master. And here is the one more important link. If you expand this one, you will see there are different options are there, right? So one is rebase incoming changes on top of the current branch. So we'll understand what is the concept of the rebasing when you when we cover that session. Okay. And merge only if it can be fast forward. What is the fast forward merge? That also we'll see. And create a merge commit even if it can be fast forward. If it can be fast forwarded, but still we want to create one more commit, that is known as the merge commit, right? And create a single commit for all pulled changes. Let's if there are multiple changes are there or multiple commits are there, and we don't want to see all those commits to come and show here in the log, we can do one thing. We can go with a squash merge, right? And for all those commit, it will combine and make a single commit out of it. We don't have to suppose there are 4 or 5 commits has happened in the master branch. So when we're pulling, we don't want all those 5 or 6 commit related information. We want all those changes, but we want to combine all those 6 commits into the one commit, right? And we in that case we can go with the squash merge. Okay, if you see here, squash merge but do not commit the result. So we can merge the changes, but we will not, do not want to commit the result, right? Bypass the pre-merge and commit the message hooks. So okay, so these many options are there. So but we can go ahead with the default option. So default option is the this one. Okay, so now I'll say pull. Okay, click on pull. Pulling changes from origin, pulling changes from origin. So now if you see, the second example also came here, right? The second system.out println line git pull example 2. So you can go to the console and see, and here git pull. Okay, all right, I think this is the one. Yes. So the progress git pull origin master. So from origin master we are pulling, and this is the changes that has been fetched, right? It's saying that one. So now if you see, the changes are there here. Okay, and if you go to the log, we can see those changes here. So git pull example 2 in remote master, this is the commit that we pulled, right? So this is how you see the we pulled the latest change from the remote, and it came to our local repository, right, in the main, right? So hope you guys are clear on the pull part, right? So pull is nothing but the fetch plus merge. That's what we need to remember. So usually when we work on the IntelliJ, usually we don't go with the pull and all. We usually don't fetch. We directly go with the pull, right? So it depends on the scenario what you are trying to do. Okay, so that's all into the pool, guys. So if you guys are liking the content, please do subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet tomorrow in the next session. Thank you. Bye.